Hello everyone, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make dirty rice from scratch. This dish is traditionally made with white rice, chicken livers, spices, and vegetables. First, rinse the rice under a running tap to get rid of any excess starch. This will help ensure your final dish isn't gummy at all. After that, add the rice to a soup pot and top it up with 3 cups of chicken stock along with 2 bay leaves. Cover and simmer the rice for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked and tender. While the rice is cooking, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a cast iron skillet. Also add the ground beef and brown it for 5 minutes while stirring. You can try breaking it up into smaller chunks so it cooks evenly. Once the meat is no longer pink, push it to one side of the skillet. Add the chopped onions, green bell peppers, and diced celery sticks. Saute the veggies on medium heat while stirring occasionally until fragrant. Go ahead and add in minced garlic and also season the meat with thyme, adobo seasoning, paprika, ground allspice, oregano, cayenne pepper, and salt. Stir everything and let this come together nicely. At this point, you can use whatever seasoning or spices you love so well and customize the flavor of this dish to your taste. Next, go in with minced or chopped liver and stir together until well coated. Cook the liver for about 3 minutes on medium heat and finally season it with 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. After that, add half cup of chicken stock to the meat mixture. Place the lid over and cook it for 5 minutes until it is completely cooked. And here is the final step. Gently remove the meat mixture and turn it over into the cooked rice after taking out the bay leaves. And this is how it goes. Just gently stir this until the mixture comes together nicely. You can now garnish with freshly chopped green onions and then place a lid over and simmer it for about 3 minutes on medium heat until it is heated through. So guys, your dirty rice is ready. You can serve it warm as a side dish or as a main course. This looks really amazing. It tastes really delicious and I hope you try this recipe out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So guys, that was how to make Cajun dirty rice with only a few simple ingredients. This recipe comes together really quickly without much hassle. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with others. Until next time, bye for today.